My name is Dr. Shanti Losa and I have come from Mumbai.
Hi, I am Dr. Archana, a surgical oncologist from SIMS, Vadapaini, Chennai.
So I have been waiting for a very long time to train myself with some robotic course wherein there is actual hands-on.
This is my first experience with a hands-on robotic workshop.
I have been part of few robotic meets and I recently attended the lab hernia course at Wokhad Hospital, where this course was introduced and videos were shared with me. Here I have come to this center in Nadia. It's a very big center and they are doing amazingly good work in urology, gynecology, in general surgery. The staff and everyone is very courteous, and I would like to give a special thanks to our course coordinator and teacher over here, Dr. Vishal Soni.
I personally thank Dr. Vishal Soni sir, Dr. Nitin Jain sir, Akash sir and Ankit sir. I really feel very confident about robotic surgeries now, and I would like to pursue it further with gastrectomy, cystectomy, bowel surgeries and also esophagectomy in Chennai.